China's chip industry is expanding fast. Exports are rising. AI chips are emerging. But here's the contradiction. China is producing more chips than ever, while still struggling to break into the top tier. Over the past few years, China has invested massively in semiconductors, government subsidies, tax incentives, state-backed R&D funding. The outcome is clear. Chip production capacity has expanded rapidly, and semiconductor exports surged, rising by nearly 25% in the first 10 months of 2024. From the outside, this looks like a success story. But scale does not equal technological independence. Despite growing output, China remains dependent on imported technology and materials. One of the most critical bottlenecks is photoresist. High-end photoresist, especially for advanced processes, is dominated by Japanese suppliers. Without it, manufacturing cutting-edge chips becomes unreliable or impossible. This means even domestic fabs still rely on supply chains beyond China's control. The biggest limitation is lithography. China has no access to EUV machines, and restrictions also affect advanced DUV systems. These tools define how small and efficient chips can be. Without them, China can manufacture chips, but mainly on older process nodes. Output increases, but progress slows. China is not standing still. There have been real breakthroughs. Optical AI chips, such as LightGen, promise major efficiency gains and could outperform traditional GPUs in specific AI tasks. At the same time, advanced packaging and chiplet designs are extracting more performance from mature nodes. These innovations are meaningful, but they do not fully replace leading-edge chips. For large-scale AI model training, performance, memory bandwidth, and software ecosystems matter. Domestic chips still struggle to match Nvidia GPUs at scale. As a result, many companies return to US-made chips whenever access is possible. This is the reality behind the headlines. China's chip industry is growing fast. It is innovating under pressure. But semiconductors are built on materials, tools, and ecosystems that take decades to master. Until those foundations change, China's chip industry will keep advancing while facing a hard technological ceiling.